Good day everyone! We will talk about another math lesson, a volume of solid figures, a sphere. Learning target today would be I can independently perform calculations for the volume of the sphere. Let us now learn how to get the volume of a sphere.
See how area and square units are related to volume and cubic units? And there's another similarity too. Do you remember how you can use square units to measure the area of any 2D shape, not just squares? Well, you can use cubic units to measure the volume of any 3D shape, not just cubes. To see how that works, take a look at this 2D circle and this 3D object called a sphere, which is like a ball. Just like you can use a bunch of small squares to approximate the area of the circle, you can use a bunch of small cubes to approximate the volume of the sphere. And here's the really cool part. The smaller the squares you use, the closer their combined area will match the area of the circle. And the smaller the cubes you use, the closer their combined volume will match the volume of the sphere.
To understand the video lesson, answer the question, how will you compare and differentiate the surface area and the volume of a solid figure? To understand that, finding a surface area of a solid figure is like finding how much wrapping paper that is required to cover the solid. It is the area of the outside faces of a box. It is measured in square units, while the volume is the number of unit cubes that make up a solid figure. Volume is the amount of space inside of the solid figure. The formula in getting the volume of a sphere, use the formula 4/3 pi r cube, where r stands for the radius. Here is example number 1. Find the volume of a sphere with a radius of 2 cm. First step, use the formula 4/3 pi r cube. Substitute the given radius, which is 2 cm. Get the cube of 2, that will be 2 times 2 times 2. The answer would be 8, and 8 multiplied by 4/3. The answer would be 32/3 pi centimeter cube. Here is the example number 2. Find the volume of the sphere with the diameter of 6 meters. Again, the first step is to use the formula 4/3 pi r cube. Find the volume of the sphere with a diameter of 6 meters. That is for the example number 2. Again, use the formula 4/3 pi r cube. To get the radius, you just need to find the radius, which is half of the diameter. 6 divided by 2, the answer would be 3. So that our radius formula, or so that our radius value is 3. Then get the cube of 3, that will be 27. 27 multiplied by 4/3, that is 108/3 pi. And the unit of measurement is in meter, so that the final answer would be 36 pi cubic meter. Here is another example. Find the 5 meters radius. Again, next, use the formula 4/3 pi r cube. The radius would be 5 meters. Get the cube of 5. That will be 5 times 5 times 5. That is 125. 125 multiplied by 4/3. The answer would be 500/3. with the unit of measurement that is in meters, so the volume of the sphere is 500 over 3 pi cubic meter. That's all for today. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.